lifetime free details of nearest police station, nearest hospital, nearest advocate, nearest detective, nearest ambulance, nearest fire brigade, nearest forest department, nearest ATM, Google Map view of these services, where to go to these services, phone number of these services will be provided by KaranKavach.com, a social media app for men, women, and kids security, which is getting launched on Android and iOS within 1 month. This service will be provided for more than 200 countries, so you can travel throughout the world and you can call any nearest police officer, any nearest fire brigade, any nearest ambulance at any time, and you can avail their services. Let's see how we can use this feature. All the nearby services will be available on KaranKavach fragment. Over here, you can see all the nearby services are listed. If you want to avail nearest ambulance, you can click upon it. All the nearby ambulance will be listed over here. If you want to call that ambulance, you can call. Number of that ambulance will be available. If you met an accident and you cannot call that ambulance multiple times, and if you want that details of this ambulance should be shared with your family, and they can connect to the ambulance multiple times to guide them, so you can share their details to your friends and family as well. In the same way, you can go to other ambulance as well, you can see their details, even you can see their 3D view also. So all the services of Google Map will be available over here. If you want to get details of nearest hospital, you can click upon it. All the nearby hospitals will be listed over here. You can see details like phone number, then direction, all details are over here. You can select any nearby hospital. So all the details of that hospital will be available. Is it closed? Is it open? At what time it will be opening? You can even call that particular hospital contact numbers. And if you want to share details of any hospital where you are going, you can share that detail to your family as well. Let's assume you have selected this hospital and you want to go over here. So you can click upon the direction and the direction will be listed and you can start it. If you want to use nearest police station, you can click upon it. And all the nearby police stations will be listed over here. Direction, if you want to get direction, you can click upon it. It will show the direction to that police station. Even you can call that police station. Number of that police station will be listed over here, so it will be calling to that particular police station. If you want to share details of this police station with your family, that you are going over here so that they can check upon you, so you can share details of this police station with your family as well. If you want to see details of any particular police station, you can click upon it and the 3D view of that police station will be listed over here. In the same way, you can avail other services like nearest women committee, nearest advocate, nearest detective, nearest ATM, nearest petrol pump, way to home, nearest snack catchers, nearest for. I am Rakesh, working as CEO and CTO on KaranKavach.com. KaranKavach.com upcoming features like fake call, fake police siren, detection of hidden camera, spy camera, call to nearest police officer, source, then lifetime free unlimited chat, call, file transfer, donate to society, collect donations from society. Will blow your mind. Don't forget to download our app from Google Play Store. We are launching on 20th January 2025. Download our app and protect your family. Keep on nurturing the society with inevitable protection. Protect your family with our app.